Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin Hippo and welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us today on Saturday, February 10th. Just wanted to touch bases quickly with you guys, let you know what we've been up to. We did go sourcing this morning to our local honey pot thrift store. It was 99 cents day. We didn't find a lot. Red tags around 99 cents. We're getting pickier and choosier about what we source. Even then, I don't feel like I left a lot behind. I got some good White House, Black Market, Chico's, bread and butter brands in the jeans. Some new with tags, that's good, but nothing like to write home about. But everything was 99 cents. So we filled our cart. We spent $48, so we really only found 48 items, which actually is not normal for us. Like even the fella ringing us out said, wow, this is a light day for you guys. But it is what it is. We went through the red tags and we only found 48 items that we wanted to flip. So tomorrow we will be going to all three of the Goodwills in our area that we usually go to. Sometimes we only go to one or two. We're going to go to all three and try to really stock up our death pile. And next weekend is a 4-day weekend for my kids, and Keith and I will be taking 4 days off to spend with them and do some fun stuff with the kids. I might do some little vlogs with them. There's been some talk around here about Pepsi Taste Challenge and comparing some tastes of foods, and I think the kids would get a kick out of recording that. So we'll see. So this weekend the plan is to source enough to last for 2 weeks for us. I don't know if that's going to happen after only getting 48 items today. Hopefully we can, between all three Goodwills, find a bunch tomorrow. And then the one last thing I wanted to touch on today, the Beanie Babies. The Beanie Babies are still in my house and I want them to leave. They are out there in the hall, they are on the floor, they are in a box, and I do not like them. So our auction that we ran on them ended at 25-ish. I can't really remember. It was like 25-ish and some change. And they never paid. So an unpaid item case was opened. My throat is dry. Give me a minute. An unpaid item case was opened. And they didn't pay. The case got closed. I got a ding on their account. I don't know if that matters to them or not. And then we did a second chance offer to the next person in line, which was 20, I don't know, it was right under his. And we gave them 3 days. They never responded, not even to say no. And then we did another second chance offer to the third person in line, and I think their bid was 21 something. And we didn't hear from them in the 3 days we gave them. So the winner didn't pay, and the next two in line didn't want the second chance. We were just going to relist them and try it again with another auction. However, if you guys remember from that video, they weighed a lot and we were using FedEx to ship them because it's a cheaper option for the buyer. And currently FedEx is having some glitches with eBay. I'm sure many of you have either encountered this or at least heard stories from other people. What's happening is the system on eBay, when someone purchases an item from you and chooses FedEx as their option to pay, they are getting a far lower quote than what the actual shipping is. So for instance, while we were waiting on the second chance offers for the Beanie Babies, we had sold a Rock Band guitar, and our buyer, he had chosen FedEx as his option, and he paid $12, which, you know, the system is supposed to work. If you put calculated shipping and that the Rock Band guitar weighs 3 pounds and they choose FedEx, it's supposed to quote them properly. Well, he was given a $12 quote. He paid his shipping, and then when we went, you know, it's not like we were going to take a huge loss, but when you calculate your profits and you rely on the system to give proper quotes to your buyers for shipping, it's frustrating. So we just went ahead and messaged eBay for Business on Facebook. They were really nice about it. They are going to give us a credit on our next invoice. That was nice to them. But they did kind of tell us that until they fix their glitch, that they recommend us not using FedEx anymore. And I'm like, you know, on all of our first class items we do offer free shipping. But on anything a pound or more that can't fit in a padded flat, we charge calculated weight. And anything, 1 to 2 pounds is pretty affordable, so we just leave USPS as the option. But most things that are 2 pounds or over get kind of expensive, and we have FedEx as a second option on there for people to pick. And I'm not going through all my listings and changing that, so I'm just like, hopefully the glitch won't happen again. Or even after telling us not to use it, they'll give us a discount if it happens. But then it's kind of like it's your mistake. You admitted it. You said it was a glitch. So, I don't know. But I don't want to create a new listing. Like they said, they recommend not using this because there is a glitch. Now, if I already have listings with it, that's one thing. But for me to be told that and then create this new listing with FedEx as an option, it's kind of like an asshole move. So, we're not putting the Beanie Babies back up until the FedEx glitch fixes itself. So yeah, the Beanie Babies didn't sell. They're still here. I want to redo an auction. I need for FedEx to not glitch out. So that is pretty much everything. For those of you who've been following along with the inventory revamping fun, last I talked to you, I said I was on bin Z. Today I am on bin 1, which means I went through Z and B0. So 2 more down. B1, I got like 17 more to go. So that's awesome. Guys, if you liked this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button down there. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin Hippos. And until next time, you guys have a good night.